This video will cover general instruction on using Microsoft Excel. The Retired Wells Social Security Planner runs under Microsoft Excel. This means that I need to explain a little about Excel and its terminology. A single Excel file is called a workbook. Excel workbooks have a file type of XLSX or XLSM when they contain macros. Macros are code added to an Excel workbook that make changes to the Excel environment and the environment of the entire computer. Within the workbook are worksheets, also called sheets. The sheets are represented by tabs at the bottom of the workbook. Sheets can be protected and/or hidden. Within a sheet, there are columns, alpha, and rows, numeric. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell, and it is referenced by its column plus row. So column C, row 8, is called cell C8. Multiple cells can be merged to become one. When this happens, the cell reference is the top left cell of the merged cells. So merging D3, D4, E3, E4, the set will become D3. A cell can be given a name in the formula bar. You can jump directly to a cell by entering the cell number in the formula bar cell name field. The ribbon is a set of shortcuts across the top, represented by icons. It can be hidden or restored by clicking the pen icon. The menu is at the top, directly below the window header. This menu has options for File, Home, Insert, Layout, and others including View. The Retired Well Social Security Planner may appear differently on your computer than in our videos because of settings in your operating system or Excel. The most obvious of these are the display theme in Windows, the screen resolution, the zoom settings in Excel, and the printer definitions. The high contrast display themes in Windows will remove the colors used for highlighting in the sheets. Here is how to check for that. Select the desktop. Right-click, select Personalize. Select High Contrast on right side. High Contrast switch set to off. Low screen resolution will make some of the displays look huge and could make it difficult to view the results. You really need a minimum of 1920 by 1080 resolution to view this correctly. Here is how you check for that. Select the desktop. Right-click. Select Display Settings. View and select the best resolution that makes the workbook viewable. The higher the numbers, the better. Most screens appear best if all columns are viewed on one screen. You can exit full screen by clicking on the Restore button in the top right. Then hit the Maximize button to fill the screen with the Excel menu on top. On the top menu, click View and Zoom. Then change the zoom value so that all columns can be seen together. There's also a slider in the bottom right corner that can do this function. There are also printer setups that need to be done from the menu. To set your printer correctly, select File from the Excel menu and Print. Then choose the printer called Microsoft Print to PDF. Then change from Portrait Orientation to Landscape Orientation. Then change No Scaling to fit all columns on one page. Then select your real printer attached to your PC. You can then click Printer Properties and the tab marked Paper/Quality to change the color settings if you prefer to print in black and white. Then click OK. Make sure you leave the selected printer as the real printer. Then hit the back arrow at the top left of the screen, back to your sheet. Hit the full screen button to hide the menus. This button is on the activation sheet and the Social Security Planner sheet at the top right.